Hi guys, this is Simon from Supergear Performance. Today I am excited to introduce you our unique inverted front fork and the triple tree. You might not have heard of Supergear Performance before, but if you're looking for a front suspension system that lets you easily adjust your sag, ride height and overall handling feel, you're definitely going to be interested in this setup. Let's start with the packaging. So we got an instruction manual, 2 inverted front fork legs, an OEM caliper bracket, and new fresh wheel axle. We also threw in a few extra goodies, a dog tag USB drive and some stickers that you can directly slap on your bike. First off, these forks are height adjustable. You can raise the front end up to 2 inches. Our fork legs actually are much bigger than the stock setup. It is a massive 60mm tubes. You know the Harley-Davidson bikes are heavy. They are close to 900 pounds, which means the front end is always under heavy impact, especially during braking, hitting bumps or aggressive riding. Most stock or aftermarket setups run smaller tubes, lighter springs and aluminum parts. But with this kind of weight and riding stress, they can really struggle to keep up. While we were developing this front fork, we kept asking ourselves how to better solve the problem and improve the riding experience. The solution is we went with a bigger 60mm internal tube design. We also upgraded to heavy-duty 75-pound mainspring for more stiffness and impact resistance. And we replaced K aluminum parts with steel to improve strength and long-term durability. Now, let's talk about suspension tuning. This setup gives you full precision, adjustability, so you can really dial in your ride. This large aluminum dial is used for preload adjustment, and the blue one is for compression, the red one for the rebound. All you gotta do is to adjust it based on your weight and riding style. Start with the preload first, then adjust the compression and finally dial in the rebound until the bike feels right for you. All of the adjusters give you 12 turns of adjustment. It is 1.25mm per turn and up to 15mm of total range. Turn them clockwise to increase the setting or counterclockwise to decrease it. Once everything's dialed in, the bikes feel more planted, more responsive, and way more confidence-inspiring on the road. And if you guys want, I can also make a setup recommendation video later to help you dial everything in. By the way, the front fork guards are made from 3-layer pre-preg carbon fiber. It's finished with a glossy clear coat to protect it from scratches and weather damage. These come in 3 different finishes. We have black, silver, and gold, so you can match the look of your ride bike while upgrading performance at the same time. This setup fits 2014 through current touring models. We also built our own triple tree kit specifically for these bikes. You will need this kit to run the inverted forks. It works with standard axle calipers, and if you want to run radial calipers, you will need a 108mm radial caliper bracket. It pairs perfectly with our Supergear Performance 108mm radial caliper for a full performance setup. That's it for today, guys. If you got any question about the setup or fitment, feel free to contact us. This was Simon from Supergear Performance, and I will see you guys in the next video.